Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we are talking about how to clear Safari browser search history. Why would you want to know how to clear Safari browser search history? Well, maybe it is your first time using an iPhone and not sure how to clear Safari browser search history. So today I am going to show you how to clear Safari browser search history. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Clearing Safari browser history is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for all iOS devices. Let me show how you will clear Safari browser history. First of all, open settings in your iPhone and now first scroll down this page until we found Safari and then tap on it. And now again scroll down this page and then click on clear history and website data, and it will clear your all history, cookies and other browsing data. And now click on clear history and data and your data has been removed. So there you go. If you were wondering how to clear Safari browser history, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.